I say come with the team, come with the team. We should all push together. Alright, 2-2. Slow close, slow close.
So gut.
I don't see anything.
You guys want to push up? I'm about to push out.
Blasting.
But no one.
All B.
Weak. Concussing.
I'll hold link, I'll hold link.
One enemy remaining. Flawless.
Child's play.
Nice. We got this comeback. It's all because of my
Time to take these
legendary.
arms for a spin.
Linky.
Do we go A again?
I'm going back.
So let's go A, let's just go. Oh no, B? B? What? What are we doing?
Break them.
Let's play slow.
Alright, let's do B. Slow B.
Guys, I could use help.
Got you. Scanning ahead. Reloading. Concussing.
He's probably gonna try and ult.
Reloading. Nowhere to run. Blasting.
One enemy remaining.
Free out.
Someone's B.
Flawless.
I got a kill.
That was my kill. Dude. What the fuck?
Huh?
You want me serious? You
That was my kill, man. I have.
Dude, I'm 2 and 4, please, I need something. I'm sorry, that was
Nick
daylight
Wilson's
robbery,
round
but I
four.
need something. I'm sorry. It's daylight robbery, but I needed it. I needed
He's
it.
using op. That's why he's going 11 and